Jim, I'm starting with this image because we've been working for 4 years now on an interesting question, which was in Paris, how to re-enchant the neighborhood of the Champs-Élysées. Difficult question. We came up with some idea of what is it to be re-enchanting a neighborhood, having a desirable place, having a sustainable place, and having an inclusive place. And we found out, I'm making it very short, that we have a lack of scientific knowledge to achieve that, a lack of new narrative, and lack of new production process to produce the city. I see the 15-minute concept as a very interesting new narrative, a new paradigm. And the reason why it blossomed and became so popular during the COVID is that with this very incredible and surrealistic experience where time and space were momentarily suspended, we had a unique experience of life where suddenly we felt the reunification of a fractured existence as worker, consumer, inhabitants, parents, everything that the modern city had been building on the basis of splitting our life into different pieces and spreading them with mobilities. And I think that this idea of the 15-minute city is a powerful narrative, very powerful, because suddenly it helps us to go beyond this taboo where the car had been for a century a symbol of independence and freedom, and that became actually a sort of a curse, and in fact no longer a desire, but as a way to project ourselves in a new future. It is very interesting as a vision, as a sort of horizon. Now, of course, we can challenge the fact that it is already in place in some area of Paris, London, New York, where in the creative area neighborhood that's already existing. Now, how do you extend that to the rest of the city? That is not homogeneous fabric. It's also very heterogeneous. You have some equipment that cannot be duplicated in every center of 15 to 20 minutes or even 30 minutes. So this is why I think it's a sort of good perspective that you need to develop in a system of metropolis where you have a growing number of 15-minute connected neighborhood with a very dense approach of the city. So I think it's a very good new narrative, a new concept that can help us, but that will need then to be extended at a larger scale. That's a challenge.
Thank you very much, Philippe.